I'll just share my screen. Let me know when the screen is visible.
I can see that.
Okay. Do you have any questions in yesterday's class? How to set up a path variable, permanent path?
Yeah,
Have you done it?
Shebang and everything, right? Okay, how to create, execute files. Yeah. Those.
How to execute files from anywhere, like even if you are not in that location, you can execute a dot bash instead of giving bash, and then like that we can execute dot slash and then the file name. We can do it, right?
Okay.
How we can do is like we can use the first we need to export that path to, then we'll be able to do it. Okay. Yesterday I have showed it, right? Export a path equal to dollar path, and then the path, suppose like scripts, this path is right, this path I have set it. Okay.
One more thing, Kiran. Do we have the link, YouTube link for yesterday's class?
Yeah, yesterday's class, I mean, Shanmukh will be uploading.
Okay. Yeah, I just want to see one more time that.
Okay, sure, no issues. In today's class, we'll see about yesterday's class. We saw about what is shell and types of shells, what is shell script, what is shebang, and first script also we have seen it, and even like set path permanently at user level, at session level we have seen. In today's class, we'll see about the shell variables. Okay. From today onwards, like shell scripting is going to start one by one. Okay. If you face any issues, kindly let me know at the time only. Again, like it is going to just close this one. What I will give shell variables. Again, I will give the shell. Basically, do you have any programming knowledge? Like what is the main, even if you don't have programming knowledge, you are, I mean, like when you are studying like third class or fourth class lower education, you might have heard the word variables. Variables you might have heard. Okay. Variables are nothing but placeholders to hold value. Suppose like in mathematics, when you are studying algebra, a equal to some 10, then b equal to 20, then a plus b whole square, you might have done like this of things. Okay, whole square. Here I cannot give square, I just give 2, that means square, like that. You might have done this kind of mathematical problems, you might have solved it. Okay. Same concept here as well. To hold the place values, we are going to use variables. Variables are key value pairs here. In shell programming, there are no data types. Every value is treated as a text type or string type. Okay. Do you know what is text type? This is text type. And then string type is like this. Anything you keep in double quotation, it is called string type. Okay. Here there are no data types. Every value is treated as a text or string type. All variables are divided into 2 types. Variables are divided into 2 types. First one is environment variable. Environment variable. Environment variables, and then second one is user defined variables. User defined variables. Okay. These two are the variables. Why every time B is missing, even though I am typing it? Okay. Okay. First we'll discuss about environment variables. these environment variables are predefined variables and mostly used internally by the system. Hence, these variables are also known as system variables. These variables is also known as system variables. Okay. We can say system variables also. System variables. These variables are predefined variables, hence these will be used by the system. That is why it is called system variables. Okay. But based on requirement, we can use these variables in our script. Okay, we can get all the environment variable information by using env command or set command. Very important. How you can get the environment variables, env or set. By using this command, we can get the values. Just see here, env. Just click on that. See, these are all the environment variables here. If you scroll up, if you one second. If you scroll up, see these are all the environment. See, home equal to this one, home equal to /home/kiram. Username. These are all predefined variables. Even path will also be present. If you scroll up, shell is also predefined. All these things, shell agent launcher, this one, all these things are predefined, and then we can see log name. These are all the log names here. Okay, like this. Even you can now what is the command we have typed env. Even if you use set command, same thing we are going to get. See, set command is going to give little bit of more information about the environment variables. See here, if you scroll up, see like this. These are all the environment variables. Okay, even a script is also present here. Shell script and then all the scripts also present here. When you use set, it is like more information we are going to get. Okay, see here also the same thing. Username is present. Everything will be same. Okay. In addition, extra details also will be present when you use this set command. Okay. This is how we are going to see how to change the prompt here. Internally, PS1 environment variables is responsible to display prompt. Next, by reassigning the value, we can change the prompt here. Now, suppose, let me clear the screen so that I can explain you. See, we want to change from my prompt is Kiran at the rate Ubuntu 22. Now I want to change it to something like anything like maybe Karthik, any name I want to give. How you can do is PS1 equal to, you need to give name. What I will give here is small letters. Karthik dollar. Okay, you need to give like this and just click enter. See now the prompt has changed. Now Karthik dollar at the rate it has given. Even you can see ls if you see how. But I mean like it is going to show what are present. Okay. I mean these two directories are present. It is showing. And then even you can create files, whatever you want to do, you can do all the things. Okay. This is how to change the prompt. PS1 equal to. Just give me. Let me open the terminal. That is how you will be changing the prompt. PS1 equal to your name and then demo. There is a script to use environment variables. Suppose like we need to write a script to use environment variables. We'll do it. Okay. Now we need to go to that. Let me keep all the scripts in this folder only. That would be good. Let me go here. Now what I will do now, I will say nano env.sh. Just click enter. Now what is the first line we need to write? Shabang. This is the one. Bin dash. Next, come down here. Echo. I am trying to get the environment variables here. Echo user. What is the user name environment variable set up in that? What is that? $user. I have showed it, right? $user is the environment variable, predefined environment variable. Next, echo user home directory. User home directory. See, echo. Do you know what is the purpose of echo?
It's like a ping, display message.
Print. I mean, like in some other languages, we have print, right? Same. It is same purpose we are using. Okay. Next, echo. I mean, like suppose if you stand in one hill, I mean, like suppose you are standing in a hill position, hill area, and then if you say your name, what it is, what it does, same kind of echo you will get, right? Generally, I mean, like if you are standing in a hill area, and then if you shout, whatever you shout, you are going to get the same thing repeatedly. That is called echo,
Kiran,
right? Here also same thing. Whatever you give after echo,
Kiran,
you are going to get the same thing.
Kiran, give me 5 minutes, okay?
Yeah, sure. And then I'll just give echo. Then I will.
Kiran, give me 5 minutes, okay?
Yeah, sure. Sure. Meanwhile, I'll just type the script here.
Okay. Kiran, I'm back. I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure. No issues. See, we have created the env.sh, and then when we run this .env.sh, we got the error permission denied. Then I have changed the permission to 755 env.sh, and then again if I run, we got the complete information like what is the username, user home directory, default shell, path, all the information we got using the environment variables. Okay,
Okay, okay,
that
got it.
is how we use the environment variables in our scripts. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me clear the screen. Then second one is, what is the second one? User defined variables. Okay, this is the second one, user defined variables. Based on programming requirement, we can define our own variables. Those variables are known as user defined variables. Okay, user defined variables are our own defined variables. Suppose like what you can do is if you want to declare any variable, just simple way like this, you can give guest, GUEST, guest equal to, I will give Dhoni name here, guest equal to Dhoni. And then suppose you want to use this variable, what I can say like echo, and then hello, and then you can use dollar, the same name, GUEST, hello guest, uh, you are my hero, you can say like this. Okay, this is how you need to give, but you need to give this one in double quotation, echo one, this one like this. If you give like this, it is going to take the variable guest, it is going to look for the guest variable, and then guess what is the variable we have as a Dhoni, hello Dhoni, you are my hero, it is going to print like that. Okay, I'll just show that thing. See what I'll say, I'll just give small letters, guest equal to Dhoni, just enter. Now echo
Dollar guest.
dollar, and then dollar, what I will say, hello. First I will give hello, dollar, guest, you are my hero, and then click enter. See, hello Dhoni, you are my hero. Even what you can do is just use this one, and then even you can use the curly braces as well here. Okay, like this. Basically, this is preferred when you do this variable thing. This is not preferred. Both the things work out. Okay. This is how you declare a variable and then assign a value. Okay. Rules. There are few rules to define a variables. User defined variables. I'll just write it here. Rules. Rules to define user defined variables. So when I type here variables, we speak about the user defined variable. Okay. First one is, it is recommended to use only uppercase. Sorry, uppercase only. It is recommended to use only the uppercase characters. First one is that one. If variable contain multiple words, then these words should be separated with underscore symbol. Okay. If what it will say, if variable contains multiple words, then it is, I mean the words, then words are separated by using, what is the symbol, underscore symbol. Okay, this is the second rule. Now third rule, what is the third rule? Variable name should not start with a digit. Okay, variable name should not start with the number or digit. Same, digit or number, everything is same. Okay, that is the third rule. We should not use special symbols like even special characters. Special characters we should not use. Special characters should not use. Special characters should not use like hyphen, at the rate, this exclamatory, this hash, this dollar, this percentage, all these things we should not use it. Okay. These are the rules to declare a variable. Okay. How to define a read-only variable? Next one is we need to declare only read-only variable. Read-only variable, what it does is you will be able to declare a value, but nobody else is going can edit that variable. That is the meaning. A equal to 100, suppose like this, and then read only A you need to give like this. Okay, space A you need to give, then you will be able to see. I'll just show that one. A equal to 19, just click enter, read only A, and then if you try to get the A value, you will get error. Dollar A value is, then colon, and then dollar A. We are getting the value since I am the owner, right? That is why we are getting the A value. Okay, else what we can do, just click A. See, A command not found. Because I am the owner, that is why I am able to get the value of A, but basically you don't get the value. Let me use capital A, we'll see. A equal to 19. Read only A. Now, oh, sorry. A, now we have assigned the value A equal to 19. Suppose now if I assign A 199, then we get the error. Because like it is read only, right? We can read the value, but we cannot change the value. That is the meaning of read only. If the variable is read only, then we cannot perform reassignment for that variable. It will be constant. Only this, it is going to be 19 only. When we change, we get the error like this. Okay.
How can we remove that?
How can we
remove read only?
Yeah. Yes. Once again, let me check. I think what we can do is
delete read
when
only.
I'm not, just give me 1 minute. I'll just try to find the answer. I think we can exit. I'm trying to get the answer. I'm just give me 1 minute. Unset we can use. Unset is a command. Okay. Let me see here. Sorry, small letters. Unset A. It cannot unset read only variable. It is saying. I think I should be root user to remove that one. 1 second. Let me see. Unset. Yes. Let me use sudo here. Sudo unset A. Yeah, it will go now. Password is wrong. Let me switch to root user, then you will be able to. Okay. What I will say, ls. But here there is no directory. Let me use unset. Unset capital. Yeah, now it is gone. Now let me exit. Let me exit and let me Get the thing again.
A is equal to 199. Yeah.
No, I am trying to get the A value first. Yeah, A equal to 199. No,
Read only
still it
value.
is saying no, basically you can use unset A, but it is saying cannot unset value. 1 second. Is there any other command I'm trying to unset? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, let me use unset hyphen gap and then A. Now A equal to 200 mg. Still it is saying the same thing. Once again, I'm just searching it in Google. Unset is the only thing we can use. Even it is saying unset, cannot, it is. Okay, you cannot delete it. Okay. I mean, like you need to close the terminal and reopen. Let me open the new terminal. Now we'll see here. A equal to 200. Yes, you cannot remove it. You cannot remove it. That is why don't you cannot unset the value, but you should suppose like you can close the terminal, then the value automatically going to remove a read only value, but don't set the read only values generally. Okay, you cannot remove it. Okay, you can just open the new terminal, then automatically the read only value is going to remove. Okay, you understood?
Yeah, got it.
You cannot even when I unset, when I unset the command, when I unset this one, I'm not able to remove that. Only way how we can remove is just close the terminal, then automatically that value is going to go. Okay, this is about user defined variables. Next one is, what is the next concept we need to discuss is variable scopes. Variable scopes. There are three scopes available for variables. One is session scope. You know what is the session scope? And then user scope. And then next one is system scope. What is the difference of these three things? Can you tell me? By looking at their name, you can answer.
Variable, it's look like A, B, C.
Variable scope. This is scope, not variable. No, I'll just answer. Variable scopes here. This is the heading. Session scope is the variables which are declared in the terminal said to be session scope. Once we close the terminal, that is exit the session, automatically all the variables will be gone. Simple like this. Suppose like x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Okay, now I will open new terminal. Already here there is a new terminal. If just click enter. Now if you give echo and then like this, if you give $x, sorry, $x, I will give space and $y. Now click enter. X equal to 10, y equal to 20. We got the value. Now what I will do is I will open new terminal. What I will say, new terminal I will open. This is a new terminal. Let me max zoom in here. Now same thing I will use echo $x. What value we should get? dollar 1020, right? But we will not get it. Why? That this is called session scope. Only for this session. Only for this session we are going to get the value. Only for this session. Okay. If you close the terminal, those variables will be gone. Next, user scope. The variables which are declared inside dot dash rc file are said to be in user scope. These variables are available for all the sessions related to current user. These variables cannot be accessed by other users. Okay. You understood what is that? I mean, like now suppose when you go to this dot bash rc file and just bash rc, but it should have some values here, right? One second, let me close this one. Where is that? Yesterday I showed the path of that file, right? Where that file is present, bash rc file.
Bash,
Do you remember
bash,
that file?
bash bin.
Bash rc file only, but one second. Let me, if I use here, what I will say is nano. Let me use vim dot bash rc. Okay, we need to declare here. What we can do is you can declare the variables here. Let me declare some variables here. We can mention the file like names like dot bash. This is a heading dot bash rc variables or something you can mention like that. Else nothing, no need to mention this thing. Just come down here. What is the thing? Export guest equal to Rony. I'm declaring the variables at the user. Okay. Uh, export friend equal to what I will say friend equal to uv I will say. Just save this file. Now you want to get that variables, right? What you can do is simple things like what is the first name we have used? Let me echo dollar. What is the first variable? Guest. Nothing we are getting. Okay. Echo spelling is correct. We'll see other one. Echo. Sorry. Echo friend. Nothing we are getting. That is what bash. This is not the bash RC file. Else what we can do is we can directly declare here itself. Echo export those things we can do it here. RC file, there should be something available in bash RC file. Dot bash RC. sh bash export guest equal to Dhoni. Perfect. I have declared same thing. But why we are not getting it? Oh, no, we are not getting it. Okay, this is how in dot bash RC file, if you declare, those things will be available for the entire user, even if you close the terminal, even though you will be getting it. Maybe I think I should log in using I mean root user. I should be root user. Then I think I will be able to see. We'll see it. Super. Now what I will say, vim dot bash rc. Yes, perfect. I should be root user. Sorry. Now what I will say, now I will come down anywhere. You can do export. Sorry, need to click insert. This should be commented out. Okay, come here, export guest equal to Tony. Enter export friend friend equal to uv. Okay, now save it. Okay, now we have saved it. Now what I will say, now echo dollar guest friend is dollar. What I will say, I will give the variable. Okay, just go like this. See, friend array. Even though I declared there itself, it is not getting. Why? Not bash RC I have declared, even though I'm not getting these things. Okay. Even though I'm root user also, I'm not getting the thing. Spelling is also correct. Friend is also correct. No, we'll see it again. Why to waste our time? I'll do some R&D and then I'll get back to you on this. Okay, let me exit this one. Now let me try using this one. Friend. No, we are not getting. We'll see it later. Why to waste our time? Next one is system scope. What I mean by the system scope is if the variable available for all user and for all sessions, such type of variables are said to be in system scope. We have to declare system scope inside a file name /etc/profile file. Okay. Here also it is saying the same thing. We'll see here whether it is going to work out or not. I should be root user. Okay. Now what I will say? Else I can be normal user, but anyway, what I will say, I will use gedit. It will be very easy. Gedit /etc/profile. Cannot or sorry, gedit. We are not able to display it. Nano /etc/profile. Okay. Super. Now you can enter anywhere. Let me come down here and then insert. Okay, what I will say, export name. I will use small letters. Why to use capital? Export name equal to export name equal to Dhoni. I will say. Come down here. Export proficient. Okay, this is fine. Let me save this one. Okay. Now let me use echo. What is the thing I have given there? I don't remember. Let me use dollar. Till we are now, I am doing some kind of mistake maybe.
Profession is equal to.
No, that is not the way we declare name. Okay. No. Hmm. 1 second, let me try it out here. No, I'll check this one tomorrow. Why we are not getting? Anyway,
Mhm.
system. I will explain user scope, system scope tomorrow. Why to waste our time? Next concept we'll discuss about is with. Let me check whether next concept. Yeah, next concept it is very simple. It is going to complete within 20 minutes. Okay. Next concept is variable substitution. What is the next concept is variable substitution. Variable variable substitution. Substitution. Okay, and then command substitution, variable substitution and command substitution. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, variable substitution, accessing the value of variable by using dollar symbol is called variable substitution. I have showed it, right? Dollar and then variable name. Even you can use dollar, the curly braces as well. This is variable substitution. Okay, recommended to use this dollar one. I mean this parenthesis one. We need to use it. Okay, suppose like we have a script here. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just quickly run the script here. Let me exit here as a root user. Okay, super. What I will say is I will create a file nano test.sh. Click enter. Now what I will say, bin bash is the thing. Bin bash. Now come out of here. A equal to 10. B equal to 19. And then what I will say, course equal to Linux. Then action equal to sleep something. Action equal to sleep. You need to give like this. Okay, and then echo. These are the outputs. Values of A and B are values of A and B are, how to get the values there? Dollar A
$B.
and dollar B. Super. Okay, next one is echo. I want to get Linux. Okay, my
Or course.
my sorry, my course is then colon. How to get the
Dollar.
value here? Shift
Dollar.
dollar and then what is the
Course.
course? Okay, come out of here and then echo my favorite action is to sleep. Okay, dollar action. Okay, okay. Now, now you need to again another one is echo dollar. Same thing. My favorite action is. Let me remove this two. Then okay, okay. What I will say. See, I want to get here. Uh, Later I will explain this one. Meanwhile, I'll just give action here. Okay, I will comment out this one. Okay. Now I will just save the file. Now I will run the file. It's test.sh. Permission denied. C755. Test.sh. Again, I will execute the file. See, Values of A and B are 10 and 20. Line X, my favorite action is sleep. What it should be? My favorite action, what is this? Grammatically, it is mistake, right? My favorite action is after action, we need to get verb plus ing form, right?
Oh, sleeping. Okay.
Oh, sleeping. Sleeping we should get. Now I want to get sleeping. How you can do that? Now I'll open the file again. Now you want to get sleeping. Okay, this is my requirement. How you can do it? Just by adding here ing. Will you get
Oh,
ing? Let us see this one, whether we are going to get this. Let me run the file again. What it is saying? My favorite action is sleep. Even though I change there, it is not, we are not getting. Let me change in the up above as well. We have
yes.
changed below. We'll change here ing. Okay. Now let me save this file. Let me run again. What it is saying, we don't have any variables. Now how we can do that? Simple thing, we should use their curly braces. Okay. If you use here, let me remove this ing here. If you what you can do is come down here. What you can just use this curly braces here. This is the importance of curly braces. Okay, that is why recommended to use curly braces. Now save this file. Now you will get. Now you will get it. See, my favorite action is sleeping. Did you get?
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Yeah. Consider the following variable declaration. There is some questions available here. What I will say, name equal to Kiran, something like this. And then how you can get the value. There are options, echo, name. Is it the correct option? There are 4 options, echo, dollar, name. Next one is echo. What is the next one? Single quotations, dollar name. Next one is echo, full quotations, dollar name. Which is the correct options to get the print the value of name?
Echo dollar name.
Option A, option B, option C, option D.
Option B.
Option B. This is also going to work out, right? Option D also work out. So
Also
option
work
B
out.
and option D are the correct options. Okay. If you are using the single quotation, then substitution won't happen, but we can use the single substitution. This is going to fail. Okay. Next, this is variable substitution. Next, command substitution. Okay. What do you mean by the command substitution? We can execute command and we can substitute its result based on our requirement by using command substitution. Did you understand anything?
Yeah.
Simple thing is simple. See, we can execute certain command and we can substitute that result based on our requirement by using command substitution. We can execute certain commands and the result whatever we get, we can substitute it to another thing. That is called command substitution. Okay. Syntax is old style syntax. This is old style syntax. What is the old style syntax is? We need to use tilde. This one is the right. This tilde and then command we need to give. Where it is present is tab key is present, right? In your keyboard there is a tab key. About tab there is like tilde symbol, like tick symbol. This is called tick symbol. This one is called tick symbol. Where it is present is in your keyboard there is a key called tab key. Above tab key and then below escape key there is a this symbol, tilde symbol. This symbol and then this tick symbol. Both symbols are present. We need to use tick symbol and then command we need to give. These are not backwards but are single quotes. New style. New style is this is new style. Preferred one is this is the one. Simple way, just dollar parenthesis. Like this you can do it. Okay, this is how you do it. Examples I will show here. Example, suppose echo like this. Today date is, what is the command we need to use? Hello, what is the command we need to use to get the date?
Date, just put the date.
Yes.
That
Yes, date plus percentage D, capital D I'm going to use. Now if I run, we will be getting, I mean like, do we get date?
date and but this one is specifically only date only, not month, not
Yes,
year.
date only will be getting. Do we get it?
Yes, capital to D. Yeah, we'll get that.
No. Today date is future. This is command, right? We need to substitute this result to this one, right? Just we are giving the command substitution. What is the syntax I told? We need to use either
Tilde.
tick symbols or else parentheses. How we can do it? Just come here, just use this tick symbol here, and then just use tick symbol here. Now
Okay.
enter. What it is saying? Command not found. I think we have used it the wrong command. We need to give space here. Let us run this one. Yeah, now we got it. See, there is another way we can do it. Instead of this tick symbol, just remove this tick symbol, use the parenthesis. Just remove this symbol, use here, and then come here, and then use this dollar symbol. Which one is preferred one? Means like this is very easy to use it. Okay, that is how you are doing to. That is how you are going to do the command substitution. There is another example. Okay, let me use this one. Echo number of files in current working directory is. What is the command? What is the command?
ls.
ls.
Working
Want to get
directory.
the number of lines? What you can do? We can use pipe symbol wc hyphen l. Then we will be getting number of lines. Okay. Is it going to work out? No, we should use tilde symbol or else we can use the parenthesis. I prefer using parentheses.
How about the open bracelet?
Open bracelet means? Yeah, that is what parenthesis. This is the one, parenthesis.
This is a bracket, right? You know,
yeah.
I put the like this one, this symbol.
Yeah, this one. We use this one. Just click enter. See, we are getting 3. That is how you are going to do command substitution. This is called curly braces, right? Where we use this one for variable substitution. If you want to assign certain, suppose like you have assigned a value, a equal to 1 second, a equal to 80. A equal to 80, and then if you want to get the b, let me say b equal to 20. Now if you want to get the value, echo what you can say,
$b
curly braces. This is for variables, but this one is for command results. If you want to you got the difference, right?
Okay.
Yeah, there are 2 more examples. What is the example is, you want to get the number of lines available in certain file, how you can do it, those things, and then you want to print the current working directory, those things. Just simple thing, you need to just use like this. What is the way? Dollar, you need to use echo and then curly brace like double quotations like this, and then the current working directory is, and then colon you need to give like that, and then dollar like this you need to give dollar parenthesis and then pwd, and then you can give here. Before this you need to give like this, the current working directory is something like that, and then If you click enter, you are going to get like this. Okay, this is called command substitution. Any questions do you have in this? User, those things I will explain tomorrow. I'll do some R&D and then I will explain.
Okay.
Any questions? Any doubts?
I'm good.
Next tomorrow we'll discuss about command line arguments. This is important. Most of the interview questions are going to ask from this command line arguments. Tomorrow my target is to complete 2 topics. One is command line arguments. Next one is dynamic read dynamic data from the end user. This is my requirement. Sorry, I need to complete these 2 topics tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I'll discuss these things. I mean, like what user session scope is there, right? That one I'll discuss tomorrow. I'll do some R&D. Why we are getting error.
Mhm.
Okay.
Once Shanmugh upload the video, please let me know. Just want to review.
Even I mean, like I'm also going to upload the videos to my channel as well.
Yeah,
have you subscribed to my channel? I think I have uploaded only first video. Show my channel. Yeah. You come 1 second. Even in Shanmugh channel also the videos will be available. I have uploaded the first video of the first class. I'm uploading it in a slow manner. Okay, I don't have that many subscribers. See, this is the one. I'll upload the cell scriptings as well here. Okay, I'll just give you the channel link. Once Shanmugh is going to upload, I am going to give. I will let you know as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay then. Bye.
Bye.